Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. We're here to do some deals for the week of the 29th of October through the 4th of November. And if you didn't see yesterday, I kind of returned back to couponing and put up a video at CVS, or for CVS, not at CVS. And so today we're doing a few deals at Walgreens. So I did take a little bit of a break, probably about 5 weeks, maybe 5 weeks off of couponing because I really needed a mental break. I really needed a good mental break, and I needed to take a break from couponing as well. And I talk about this a little bit in my CVS video, but there was things going on with CVS that was, making it difficult, and then there was things happening at Walgreens every single week. And it was just like, I just need to take a step back. I just need to take a step back and refresh, reset, and then go forward. And I do this every couple of years since I've started my channel, where I've taken a good break just because for me, it's what's needed for my brain. So anyways, I'm totally fine. And I'm a lot better now that I took that break. Now, while I was on break, I kind of started another channel. And I started another channel because this is something I've probably wanted to do for like 10 years and just never got around to doing it. And it'd been weighing on my mind to start it for probably a year or so. Now, the channel that I started has nothing to do with couponing. So I probably won't talk about it a whole lot just because, some other creators have started channels and they can kind of segue into couponing into their other channels. And that's totally fine. I'm just not at a place in my life where I could do a home channel or, like a cleaning channel or a decluttering channel or anything like that. I'm just not in a place in my life where I could do something like that. But I love that, say, like Kayla and Jody did second channels. I love that for them. They really enjoy it, so that makes it even better. So I've thought about for doing a second channel for a while, and I thought, what could I do that I really enjoy? And so I'll talk about it more at the end of the video. I'm going to mention it this week just because it's my first week back, just to kind of let you guys know what I've been up to. But I'm not going to talk about it a whole lot just because it's so different from the couponing niche. So for today's video, got a few things to talk about. So we have that spooky sale going on where you spend $15, you get back $5 and a P&G coupon. And so we're going to do that. I do have a digital booster, and it looks like that it didn't come until Sunday night, which Walgreens, don't be that way. So I've spent $25, get $7, and I think I'm going to use that as long as the store has what I want. I'm going to do So I'm going to do 2 transactions. One of them is just basically to get a few coupons and register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket. For my second transaction, not a whole lot that I'm going to do because I don't have the points. I don't have the register rewards to do it. I just don't have them at all on any of my accounts. I basically used up a lot of Walgreens cash while I was off. And it happens. So it's pretty realistic to start out with hardly anything. And it's going to be all digital. So I think I've gone over everything. So anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There will be a Google Doc link down below in the description box to help you plan your trip, or to help you in the store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we're going to do in our first transaction is on the Crest. Now, I was going to do mouthwash, but my store only carries maybe 2 at a time. So we're going to do the Crest Pro Health Advanced Deep Clean Mint. They're on sale for $5 a piece. They're also on promotion for buy 3, get back a $6 register reward. So the 3 of them will be $15, excuse me. And we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So then that'll make them $10. But then we are going to get back a $6 register reward, we're also going to get back a $5 spooky sale P&G coupon. So that's going to make all three of these free and a $1 moneymaker. Now, since the P&G promotion is spend 15, you get back $5, you want to make sure that you are at $15 after your store coupons. So if it's a store register reward, you need to be at $15. If it's a 20% off coupon, you need to be at $15. Now these are sale prices, so you can't use a 20% off coupon. But if you have a store register reward kicking around, you need to make sure that after that coupon comes off, you are at $15. So I'm also going to throw in with this transaction these poise pads and liners. So make sure that you get one pad and one liner. These are 2 for $12. I couldn't film myself grabbing them because it was right by where people pick up their medication, so I didn't want to do that. So these are 2 for $12. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that we can use on these. And then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we're going to get back $5 for the pads and $2.50 for the liners. So after the Ibotta rebate, these will both be free and a 50-cent moneymaker. You can do this as a pickup. You can use Walgreens cash, register rewards. There's no promotion on these, so this is a great deal. So future Sarah here, I've done my first transaction, and I do want to tell you, I got back a $6 register reward, and I got back a spooky sale type of coupon here with my previous transaction, and so that all worked out beautifully. So let's do our second transaction. So now we're going to grab this big thing of Tide that is on sale for $15.99. We are going to use a $4 digital coupon, and then we're going to use our $5 spooky sale coupon, and in hopes of getting that spooky sale coupon back. So then if we get that back, then that would make this just $6.99, but we're going to pair it in with some body wash and use a digital booster. So we're going to grab 2 of the same Old Spice body wash. I'm going to get the red bottle just because you get more in the bottle. So they're $7.49 a piece. That's going to make our total $14.98 for both of them. We have a $3 digital coupon that'll make them $11.98, but then we'll get back a $4 register reward and $5 on Ibotta, making it $2.98 for both of them. So the total for the 3 products will be $30.97. We're going to use those digital coupons, and then I'm also going to use the $6 register reward from my previous transaction and the $5 P&G coupon. That'll bring my total down to $12.97, but we're going to add back in that register reward. So our total will be $18.97. We're going to get back $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $25. We're going to get back a $4 register reward for the Old Spice and that $5 P&G coupon. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back the $5, making the 3 products free and a $2.03 moneymaker, which is an insane deal, and I'll take this any day of the week. So now we're going to roll some rewards, and we're going to grab the Safeguard hand soap. This is on promotion for buy 2, get back a $3 register reward, and they're buy 1, get 1 50% off. So one will be $4.99, the other one will be $2.49. That equals out to $7.98. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. We'll pay $5.98. We'll get back a $3 register reward, making them both just $2.98. And this is a P&G product, so if you have that $5 coupon, you can use it on that as well. Now, if you do not have that $5 P&G coupon, you can use Walgreens cash to pay for the hand soap, and it's still an amazing deal either way. So that is everything that we are grabbing today, and let's go out to the cart and see how everything went. All right, so we're back in from Walgreens, and like I popped in the middle of the video, my first transaction worked great. That was at one store. My second transaction, not so great, and then the last one went totally fine. So I don't know, but we'll just talk about it. So the first transaction, like I said, I had the crust and the poise. So the $5 digital came off fine for the crust, and the $5 digital for the poise came off fine as well. So then my total was $17. I did use $4 in Walgreens cash to lower my out-of-pocket because that is all I had. So the total for that transaction is $17. Now, No Walgreens cash back, but I did get back that $6 register reward and that $5 P&G coupon. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $7.50. So then that makes that transaction free and $1.50 moneymaker, which I think is amazing. I wanted to get a couple Ibotta offers so that I could cash out. So that's mainly why I did the poise, because it would give me $7.50 back, and so then I was able to cash out. So super happy with that. Then the next transaction is the one I had the problems on. So I got the Old Spice, and I shouldn't have done the Old Spice, but it seemed too good to be true. But I always have such issues on the Old Spice. So anyways, I come to this store, a different store than the first store that I was at. I got the Old Spice and I got the big thing of Tide. I used the $5 P&G coupon and a $6 register reward. My $3 digital came off for the Old Spice and my $4 digital came off for the Tide. Now, nothing printed. Nothing printed. It wasn't broken. It was plugged in. It was on. It wasn't broken. Nothing printed. So I'm like, okay. The two things that should have printed were the $5 coupon, but then I got to thinking, maybe that's not rolling. It might not be rolling. And then the Old Spice didn't print either, but they did give me back $5 and Walgreens cash for that. But depending on the store, depending on the people, they might compensate you for that $5 coupon. They might not. You can always try submitting to the Catalina company, but I don't know if it's rolling. I really don't. So that was a chance that I took. So anyways, so my total after everything was $12.97. Add in that $6 register reward, that makes my total $18.97. Now I didn't use any Walgreens cash to pay because I didn't really have any. I had like 23 cents. I didn't get back that $5 coupon, which I think I should have. I didn't get back that $4 register reward, but the store gave me $5 for that. I did get back $7 in Walgreens cash for my spend booster. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $5 for that. So the total for that transaction would have been free and a $2.03 moneymaker. But since I didn't get that $5 coupon, we're just going to add the $5 back to that. And it still makes the transaction just $3. Just $3 or $2.97. So I'm still pretty happy with that. I would have paid $3 for that big thing of Tide any day. So even though sometimes things don't work out to be super free, but they still become pretty cheap, I'm still really happy. So anyways, then I added in the, still at the same store, I added in the Safeguard because I love Safeguard soap. I just love it. You get a good amount of it. It's really good soap. It smells good. It's not harsh. I love it. Anyways, I'm going on and on about that. So those were $4.99 a piece. And then they're buy one, get one 50% off. The $1.50 coupon that I had for them came off totally fine. So my total was $5.98. Originally, I was going to use the $5 coupon that I would have gotten for the Tide, but instead I used $5 in Walgreens cash instead to pay. So the machine is working because I got the $3 register reward, and I did do this after the Tide. So the machine is working. So I did get a $3 register reward for the Safeguard, although it would have been a lot cheaper using the $5 coupon, but it's either here nor there. I ended up paying like 98 cents out of pocket for the two of them and then got back the $3 register reward. But the soap, the soap ends up being $2.98 for both of them, and I think that's a really good deal. So what is the total for everything today? The total for everything after the 3 transactions, I have to look at my watch here because that's where my calculator is. If you're a content creator, which I know a lot of you aren't, but if you ever decide to become a content creator like this, get a watch with a calculator on it. It's so handy when you're trying to film it, do your numbers on the fly. So anyways, the total for my transaction after everything, or all 3 transactions, equals out to $3.47. I got 115 ounces of Tide, 2 big bottles of Old Spice body wash. I got 3 things of Crest toothpaste and 2 packages of pads. I think that's pretty darn good. So anyways, guys, anyways, let me know if you've had any luck with rolling that spooky sale coupon. I wish I did, because I would have loved to have that other $5, because I wanted to save it for tomorrow and go and get, because I think it goes until tomorrow, I was gonna go get some Dawn. So anyways, guys, I was going to just get on out of the video, and I forgot to tell you about the channel, and I did that exact same thing yesterday. So my channel is, and I got a lot of really great feedback from you guys yesterday if you watched yesterday's video. So I'm not as nervous to tell you guys about it. So I started a true crime channel, and I want to cover all things true crime, real mysteries, real unsolved things, some things that are real but a little creepy sometimes, but we'll see. That's the plan, but we'll see how the channel evolves. I have 3 videos up right now. I will link that up here or here. I never can remember which corner those things pop up at. Link them there and down below. The channel is called The Eerie Collective. And if you like true crime, if you like true crime, then definitely check it out. I have really been called to do this. Like I said this yesterday, I graduated in 1999, and well before that, I was into true crime. I went to school for criminal justice, and I really want to advocate and spread awareness and help people with my true crime videos. Maybe not the mystery ones, you know, but I think that would be fun to add in some of those stories as well once in a while, to make it a little bit lighter sometimes. But anyways, I really want to advocate for victims and victims' families, and I really want to spread awareness to help other people out as well that may be suffering from things. So I really am hopeful that the channel takes off. So like I said, they're linked. If you're not into true crime, that is totally fine. I'm still going to be doing couponing content because I love, love, love to save money. So anyways, guys, I think that is it now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Have a fun and safe and happy Halloween, and I will see you all in the next video. And comment a pumpkin if you made it this far. Bye, guys.